In this tutorial, I will show you that how can enable virtualization in ASUS BIOS in just few easy steps. It's a very easy process to do, so you need to follow step by step. For the step 1, from this desktop, you need to right click on this taskbar. Here you will get this task manager option. You need to open it and then you can open this performance tab from here. If you click on it, you will see here this virtualization option which is disabled right now. Now to enable it in ASUS BIOS, what you need to do is from your desktop, again click on that Windows icon and open your settings. Here, open system and scroll it down to the recovery. Open it and here you will get this option of advanced startup. You need to click on restart now. So after clicking restart, you will see this type of screen here. You can see here it's showing please press Del or F2 to enter UEFI BIOS settings. So I'm pressing Del button from here. If I press Del button or F2 button from my keyboard, it will take us to this dashboard here of ASUS UEFI BIOS. So from here, to enable virtualization, on right bottom side you will see advanced mode F7. You can click on it or you can press F7 from your keyboard to get here. Then you will be on this advanced mode. In header you will see these more options. You will be on this main. You can open this advanced from here and then you can open this CPU configuration. After opening it, scroll it down. Here you will see this option SVM mode. It means virtualization. So it is disabled right now. If you click on it, it will show option to enable it. Select enable and you can see it's showing enable now. After enabling it, this SVM mode, you can simply click on that exit button and here select save changes and reset. If you click on it, it will show this pop-up. Click OK and then it will restart your PC. After opening this, you can simply right click on that taskbar and open this task manager. Here, if you open this performance, you can see here now virtualization is enabled. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So that's how you can enable virtualization in ASUS BIOS in just few easy steps.